In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a post on LinkedIn. It's a simple and straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes, allowing you to effectively share your thoughts, experiences, or updates with your professional network. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the LinkedIn website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com in the search bar. Once the page loads, if you're not already logged in, you'll want to head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. It's crucial to ensure you access your account by entering your correct email or username, followed by your password. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by your LinkedIn homepage, which is your personal newsfeed where all the updates from your connections and followed companies appear. Next, from this homepage, we need to take a short detour to your profile. Look towards the top of the page and you'll notice your profile icon, usually featuring your profile picture. Click on this to be taken to your personal LinkedIn profile page. This section gives a comprehensive view of your professional background and achievements, serving as your digital resume. It's always a good idea to occasionally check your profile to ensure that all your information is up to date. But for now, our focus is on crafting that post. Once on your LinkedIn profile, direct your attention to the section where it says, Start a Post. You'll find this option close to the top of your profile page. Clicking here takes you to the posting interface. LinkedIn makes this process pretty user-friendly. You'll notice a prompt that allows you to type a message, and this is where the magic happens. You can write about current projects, share insights, or even post about an industry event or news that you find intriguing. Make sure you tailor your post to engage your professional audience, possibly sparking interaction or discussion. Before you hit that post button, consider what content type best fits your message. LinkedIn offers options such as adding photos, videos, or even documents to enhance your post. A visual element often helps capture more attention as users scroll through their feeds. So, take a moment to assess if a particular photo or a short video will make your message more impactful. Remember, once you're satisfied with your content, go ahead and click the Post button. This action will instantly share your thoughts with your network. Plus, LinkedIn's algorithm might also help your post reach a wider audience if it garners enough engagement. And there you have it. You've just learned how to efficiently post on LinkedIn, making your professional insights and updates visible to your connections. It's a powerful way to stay active and relevant in your field. Don't forget to regularly engage with your connections' posts as well. That's a significant part of building a dynamic LinkedIn network. Thanks for watching, and happy posting!